welcome back to TvsU YouTube again. This is a quick compilation of all of the videos on my previous channel just in case you don't want to go through and watch them all. My big shitpost is taking a little while to make because I'm still sorting things in my private life, but it'll be out soon. But in the meantime, enjoy all of the old videos from my terrible previous channel that I still haven't found the password for. Enjoy.
I just wanna fuck a dude. It's coming so sticky like glue.
You should have gone for the head.
Complete failure.
Oh my goodness.
If I had a nickel for every time I
had a milkshake thrown at me,
I'd have 2 nickels, which isn't a lot, but it's weird that it happened twice, right?
It's a right protest against people like him. The bile and the racism that he spouts out in this country is far more damaging than a bit of milkshake to his front. I've got the guy over there claiming I've cut his finger.
What flavour was it?
It was banana and salted caramel. Actually quite looking forward to it.
James Marston, what did you do with Big Chungus? We know you're the sus imposter, and I saw you vent in electrical. What did you do with that wish delivery the other week, James? Used code Among Us for $20 discount on James Marston merch.
Day in the life of a true Brexit geezer.
My milkshake brings all the people to the rally.
We will promise to hold Tira on your bussy as it claps.
Trying to convince everybody that women clearly had penises.
Broken every single promise he was elected on, defining a woman.
Of all the weeks to say that, when Brianna's mother is in this chamber.
We shouldn't get bullied into believing that people can be any sex they want to be. They can't. A man is a man, and a woman is a woman. That's just common sense.
It's just fucking Mindy.
We estimate we can sell up to 80% of an individual's visual field before inducing seizures.
Kill yourself.
Get off! For fuck's sake, don't you realise your obsession with sex is what helped
pro clubs with the lads. Are you the sus imposter? And Ryan wants an answer to that question.
Стоп-машин, спокойно я приехала без руля, и в голове с помехами я иду домой. Я? トイレ。だからトイレじゃないです。お花摘みです。今だけトイレでいいです。はいはい。行ってきます。
Sex means biological sex.
今度こそ。
あれ合ってるよな。じゃあなんで
Think nothing of it, Missy. It was a pleasure, I assure you.
Шаг, 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 опять попала в темное третий раз. Обманута по полной я уже тобой не прощу.
Did you ever find Bugs Bunny attractive when he'd put on a dress and play a girl bunny? No.
Was the charter of the land, and guardian angels sang the strain.
Kill myself. Sometimes I wake up wanna kill myself. How would you feel if I killed myself? I look in the mirror and wanna shoot myself. My worst enemy is myself. I ain't really worried about nobody else. Up the click and do it to myself. I don't sell crack and rap about it. And nigga, I don't do it for my health. I do it cause I don't really know nothing else.
I'm not against trans rights. I'm a lesbian and a feminist. It has divided parties, including my own party, the SNP.
I wear masks with a smile for hours at a time.
Can you not answer that question? If someone sent a member of parliament a tweet such as this, they've done and the tweet is a cartoon depiction of somebody making the V sign, not V for victory, the other one. The part of the cartoon that is a hand holding a gun is actually taken from a hand holding a real gun. Do you agree with me that that adds to the sinister nature of this? The fact that it's a real hand holding a real gun.
Some people say that, but you know, it's just a theory.
I just simultaneously whipped a nene!
Trans women aren't really women.
Wait, what?
I mean, okay, who's the next girl or boy? There's only those two.
Speaking of which, the Equality Act. If you've met a trans woman, which I never have, you'll know they don't experience violence or hate. Put them in men's
bathrooms.
They'll be perfectly safe.
I am someone who is biologically a male, but I have changed my gender. Where would I go to the toilet? The men's toilet or the females or the women's toilets?
You don't police how people use toilets in that sense, but I would expect that if you were someone that had gone through that formal process of recognition, that you are, for legal purposes, are regarded as being in a different gender, regardless of the sex into which you were born.
So where do I go? Where do I go? The men's toilets or the women's toilets?
I would think that in those cases, people would be using female toilets. Using female toilets. But that's something that has... But
that isn't protecting a woman's space, is it? So you're saying that as a trans woman, I can use the female toilets?
Yes! But you won't put that into law, that's the problem. And that's exactly the point which J.K. Rowling is making again tonight.
Should we talk about Rishi Sunak and...
What did you do with Big Chungus? We know you're the sus imposter, and I saw you vent in electric.
I'm gonna do some push-ups.
You enjoy a few pints with the lads tonight. Up the rah.
Up the rah, Nigel. I mean, I know that you said sorry. I know you got 87 quid. Come on, don't try and lecture.
Up the rah, Nigel.
And then, oh fuck, okay.
Big misconception about this
I'll prove a point now. No mods.
situation is that Nike changed the flag to be more inclusive.
You forgot the key. I want to play something now.
Hey, my favorite pretty boy Femtwink Pyro. What's your favorite fat furry?
Oh my god.
Asking so I know.
For trans people.
I just love the word woke. It's got no meaning anymore.
Yeah, it turns out this is more of a case of people exploding over something without doing the slightest bit of research. Nigel Farage angrily called it woke.
Think to myself, what actually made me pay for this? This is like, this nothing like the that's a cope. That's a big fat cope.
That was Tyvor flag.
What's the Vor bride flag? No. Oh, no. What? It is the same colors. What were they thinking? We got some sleeper agents in there, man. That's crazy. It looks nothing like the trans pride flag. Nothing. It looks like the Vor pride flag, though.
I'd pick you up, hug you while rubbing you against my huge, sweaty moobs.
Yeah, well, I'm glad he would meet J.K. Rowling. I would be slightly terrified about meeting J.K. Rowling if I... To go from that to basically saying women aren't safe under a Labour government is a huge thing. Tony Blair was quite able to say, when he was asked recently what a woman was, I think he said, a woman doesn't have a penis. No, he knows his basic biology.
Right.
Keir Starmer has struggled over that question.
And isn't it ludicrous that we've reached a point where, you know, to say such a thing was considered, not so much now, but certainly a year or two ago, as being a controversial statement, which is unbelievable. Let's have a look.
Amongst some people. it still is a
It
controversy.
still is. Yeah, well, not only controversial, but there are some people who don't think you're right if you say that.
And they'll intimidate you if you take the position that civilization has taken for thousands of years.
Why do people like J.K. Rowling think that you've abandoned, have accused you of abandoning women, Labour of abandoning women? What's gone wrong there?
Look, I respect what she says, and I think I welcome the debate.
She said that Labour are behaving like a husband who's cheating on his wife but expects her to be OK with it because he always takes the bins out.
Well, look... I actually do really respect what she said. I've looked
Are you going to have
very...
a meeting with her? Are you going to try and bring her back? She used to be a Labour donor.
Of course I'd meet with her.
What did you...
All right, nice.
Oh, H2O.
There was furry inflation in the recent screenshots. No, there wasn't. Oh,
do with Big Chungus? We know you're the sus imposter.
Brother, I would instantly change our official flag if it meant...
Trans UK flag.
Happy birthday, huge anus.
So lame.
It gives me a boner. I don't like it.
Testing. Well, that was probably the worst 17 minutes, 4 seconds, and 18 milliseconds of my entire fucking life. But hey ho, those videos existed on the old channel. Let's just forget they exist now we've seen them. And they are completely unaltered, just a normal compilation, no changes whatsoever. I hope you enjoyed it, cause I didn't. They made me fucking cringe. But yeah, I'm still working on that big shit post. It'll probably be the only one like that I ever make. But I'll release that soon-ish, eventually, who knows, maybe in a fucking year. It also feels like 10 years of world history has happened in the past 2 months. It's actually fucking insane. There's so much shit I could make videos on. But honestly, the continual shift towards mass techno-surveillance authoritarianism makes me kinda not want to put videos on the internet that are kind of not in favor of the government. However, I'm sure thought crimes will be a thing eventually when they put a chip in my brain, so hey, who gives a fuck, am I right? Yeah, that's all for now. I'll see you in a week or I'll see you in a year. Stay safe, stay strong, and I'm gonna stop harassing your ear. 'Cause we are truly good!
What made you decide to dress up as the Prime Minister of Israel?